What up guys, it's Jude and this is a quick update. Everdome so far is one of the biggest new Metaverse projects of 2022. A few days ago, the pre-sale sold out. Approximately $20 million worth of tokens was sold. This was sold through some pre-qualification, that is, you have to be holding the required number of hero tokens during and after the snapshot, or you have to be subscribed to the Tenset gem launch platform where amazing gem coins have been launched in the past to be able to buy at the pre-sale. Now, because of this, a lot of persons were not able to buy because they did not meet this pre-qualification requirements, and even those that met it were not satisfied with the allocation that they got. You can see them venting their anger on Telegram. This simply means that a lot of persons have seen that Everdome is a solid project, which also means that a lot more person wants to buy more at the listing, which is happening on the 8th of February. Not only this, all the purchases made at the pre-sale has a vesting period of 2% per week after the initial 10%. What this simply means is that it will take 45 weeks for all those that bought at the pre-sale to redeem their token before thinking of selling it. So the listing is where anyone can buy and sell the quantity that they want. For this listing, the Everdome team decided to give the token the maximum exposure they can by listing on a tier 1 exchange, OKX. Now, OKX ranks number 2 by trade volume in the derivative markets on CoinMarketCap. So if you want to get your hands on some Dome, say you missed out in the pre-sale or you want to purchase more, then create an account on OKX if you don't have one already, fund your account and get ready to buy at the listing. I have my affiliate link in the description for OKX. Be sure to use that to sign up. It does two things. It helps to support the channel and also ensures that you are visiting the right exchange and not a scam site. I have done a video on how to use OKX in the past. The link is also in the description box below. Also, note that this is not a financial advice. You should always do your own research. Now for Everdome, I have done 2 dedicated videos already to explain what it is, but I will do a quick recap here. Everdome is an ultra-realistic metaverse project. It is a real world, but it is virtual. You can buy lands there, you can build houses, and you can even rent the house that you have built. You can attend meetings, conferences, get-togethers, concerts, make friends, be who you want to be, and so much more. In Everdome, whatever you create is yours, and you can choose to monetize it if you want. You can do a lot of the things you do in the physical world and even more on Everdome. And the beauty is that it is being created to be ultra realistic, that you hardly tell the difference between you in Everdome and you in the physical world. This, guys, is just a tip and why the project is anticipated to be one of the biggest projects in 2022. That's it, guys. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video. It means a lot to me if you do, and it's the only way YouTube recognizes that the video is valuable. Then it will show it to a lot more people. Also, subscribe if you have not. We plan to do a very big giveaway at 100,000 subscribers. Pin down that notification bell so you don't miss any of my time sensitive videos. I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.